Hey, guys, welcome to the first ever video of this channel, Creativity Light. This is an introduction video for the channel. So, let's talk about what is this channel for. So, as by the name you can judge that it is a creative channel focused on digital creativity. You'll get Photoshop art tutorials, speedrun, and Blender 3D projects tutorials, as well as speedruns, and many more like pixel art, 2D art, animation. And I know many of you will think that it is a digital art creative channel and its own channel logo is disgusting. I know that, and the logo is designed for that only. The logo will be updated with some changes every time this channel completes its milestone, so be updated. And, as you can assume that this is not my original voice. I am using voice assist for the videos, and I will reveal my voice when the channel would reach the goal. And the goal is to make anyone learn or help through my videos, so, if you are watching this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, as it will help me achieve my goal and as well as yours, to get notified with my videos. That's all for this video, and for the reminder for myself that even if the channel gets too old, this video should not be deleted or moved to personal.